also to the intestine.
What's the intestine?
That's where the food goes after the stomach.
You might not have enough strength.
Oh, you mean poop.
Pretty much it's becoming poop while it's there. So what's cool about this is that you can do a little bit more of a dissection too and cut open the stomach and see what they ate last. Which seems to be mush and whatever that is. Okay, Lila, let's put that down.
It kind of looks
Mushiness.
Wait, can I see
and
that?
whatever,
Don't touch that with your hands.
whatever
Max.
this is.
Max should have gloves.
Yeah, I think everybody should have gloves.
Why don't you have them wear them?
Because as long as they wash their hands.
This is
it'll
a
be
shrimp
okay.
leg.
This
This is a
is
shrimp leg.
Shrimp
Nasty.
leg, okay. Alright. So, whew, Lila, be careful with that
What's
scalpel.
that thing?
Alright, who wanted, Jack, you wanted the heart, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Ooh.
So this is the heart.
Yes,
Go
I
ahead,
know.
Jack. Take that heart out of there.
With his hands?
Yeah, could be like superhero ripping out the heart. So that's the heart. It's really small.
Is there anything in the
Got
heart?
2 lobes.
Cool.
Ours
Can
has
I
4.
cut the heart?
You could cut the heart. They're not gonna
No,
do
do it on the... Might be easier to do
There's
it, yeah.
a little gallbladder there.
Okay, do it. I want to see what's
Okay.
inside the heart.
Ew.
Oh, cool.
Okay.
I'm
All right, Max,
starting
are
to
you
get-
ready for